Hello world and welcome to the Raleigh Marriott City Center Hotel in Raleigh, North Carolina. I'm over here for a Hurricanes game and I figured, you know what, might as well do a quick little room tour, throw it on YouTube, so if anybody is staying here, they can see what this room's like, because it's really nice. But let's go check this out. All right, we're in the room now, and right here is the locking system. So you've got a door lock down there and a little lever lock that goes over the door there. When you take a right upon entering the room, you've got the bathroom here. It looks fairly clean. I don't see any issues with it at all. You got some cups here, soap. Is that lotion? Yeah, they even give you lotion. And Kleenex tissues, I guess. Extra toilet paper. Down here is a hairdryer. Some extra towels on both sides. There's the toilet. And there is a walk-in shower right here. And it does come with a big old shower head and like soap, shampoo, and conditioner hanging right there on the wall. So if you're okay with that, you don't need to bring those items. Let's go look in this closet. Now this is pretty cool. When I open the door, watch what happens. When I open this door, watch what happens. There we go. So when you open the door, that light comes on up there automatically due to this little switch right here. All right, you got some things to hang your clothes on, some coat hangers, clothes hangers, whatever you call it. Ironing board there, iron there, and you have your safe down here in the bottom to store your valuables. All right, close this up. Over next to this closet, there's your coffee machine. Comes with some coffee and things. Don't really know much about coffee because I don't drink it that much. Oh, it looks like there's tea too. I'm just making a mess out of this right now. But yep, there's your coffee machine. It's got an outlet there and a mirror. All right, check out that artwork there. That is fancy pantsy, huh? And there is your TV. You got your desk. I think this is where you sit your luggage. That's all my stuff over here. TV, when I walked in, said, watch your favorite content. Streaming content on the TV, and so I guess you get to watch Netflix, Showtime, YouTube, and Pandora. It's pretty cool. You got an ice box right there. This is the bed. All right. Got plug-in outlets with USBs next to the bed, as well as this little alarm clock. It has outlets and USBs on it. And let's go open the drawers. I don't think anything is in the drawers here. No. But there is a mini fridge right here in the big door. So that's about how big it is. If I'm gonna put my hand in there so you can see how big it is. All right. They've got a very large mirror right here. And like a little reading couch or lounging couch. I don't really know what you call it, but that's what it is, a little table there. And here is my view from the 3rd floor. I'm in room 218. So I do have a little bit of that, but I don't mind. It's a pretty good view. And over here on this side of the bed, they have the Bibles, the Holy Bible and the Book of Mormon. I guess that's a little shopping guide of stuff to do around the area. And telephone, as well as your outlets over here. What is this? Skin solutions? I don't know. All right, well, there you have it. Quick little tour of the Raleigh Marriott City Center Hotel. So I hope this video helps you if you're coming to Raleigh, North Carolina, whether it's for a Canes game or whatever reason. I hope you all learned something from this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. So with that being said, if you liked the video, if it helped you, give me a thumbs up. And if you like North Carolina videos, you might want to go ahead and subscribe because that's mostly what I do. But with that being said, thanks for watching and thanks for playing. Bye.